Hey guys, welcome to the channel. My first video. I'm gonna start it off with a Toolbox tour. So let's get started. Got my handy dandy chair here. Right here, I keep my hammers down there. I've got some socket sets, 3/8 impact, 1/2 inch impact. Got hammers, oils, Milwaukee chargers, 4.0 battery, magnet, just different stuff, breaker bar, pry bars, more hammers, some hex keys, light, one of them Johns. Got this, it's probably my favorite tool right here, the M12 stubby, 5.0 high output. My hat here, throttle body, couple cans of brake clean, WD-40, chain lube, starting fluid, some gloves. In this drawer we got some miscellaneous junk over there. AA batteries, little tape measure, light to put the batteries in, little ratchet thing. Got some plug-ins here. Milwaukee light, Milwaukee impact, Milwaukee drill, M12 3. I think these are 1.5s. I think there's a 2. No, I guess these are all 1.5s. Anyway, got my ratchet and this sucker's mean little beast right there. Got my dead blow. Broke my 3/8 to 1/2 inch thing yesterday. Got some clips, greaser thing, or greaser thing. Side there, recording with my just some greaser, little primer thing, needle, extra little extension cap. Got some fuses. Should be another thing of fuses somewhere down in here. A little bit of miscellaneous stuff here. Got some big 3/4 inch sockets, some valve stems, different tire plugs, a couple extensions. In here we have another miscellaneous stuff. Air fittings, different things. That's not going in here. Yeah, just some different air stuff. There's like an oil wrench, couple rings, whatnot. Got some screwdrivers. Got the knife there. That doesn't go in here. This is that seized one. I don't know. I'll figure that one out later. More screwdrivers. Got some wire there. Down here, this is the bag the M12 stubby goes in. This is a it's a light or a camera, Milwaukee M12 camera. The grease gun battery and battery charger. There's a 20-volt DeWalt charger down there. Those are drill bits, little vise, and whatnot. Starting on this side, we've got wrenches. As you can see, they're nice and organized, as every mechanic should have them. We've got crescents over here, pipe wrench there, plier drawer, snips, cutters, wire strippers, different things. This is the socket drawer. Missing quite a few, but got some right there's a 1/2 inch set, non-impact. There's some Torx type stuff, 3/8. This is 1/4 up to 1 inch right here. And then back here we have 3/8 to 1 1/4. Got my ratchets. If I can get it. 1/2 inch ratchets, 1/4 inch ratchets, little thumb 1/4 inch. There, got the extensions back there. I don't have any metric 1/2 inch sockets. Yeah, got sockets there, more oil there, creeper, hammers. Come to the DeWalt box, just some screw bits, some Velcro, some gloves, magnets, tissues. And here we got more wrenches, organized as ever. And here we've got pliers, got channel locks, cutters, the thing for a tap and dive. Got some F-150 brakes right there, some wire, mallet, throttle cable for that four-wheeler, starter solenoid for that four-wheeler, linen screwdriver, miscellaneous sockets, there's a couple, I think. This one, can't remember if that's 3/8 or 1/4. I haven't looked at these. I know that these Cobalt ones here are 3/8. Yeah, just different sockets, all brands. I think that's drill bits, more drill bits. There's some more different screwdrivers in here. Grinder disc and whatnot. A little buffer thing for this Goodyear sander I got on sale. Different air stuff, a couple air ratchets. And that's about it. Got trash bag here, vacuum, a couple carburetors, miscellaneous stuff, parts bin, some wood for hammering on junk. Got the grease gun here. Air compressor. Just this different socket set right here, pretty old. Right here we've got siege clamp, big pipe wrench. Yep, and that does it. That sums it up. So, thank you for watching. Don't forget to like, subscribe, comment, and do what you want. There'll be more videos. Probably me wrenching on stuff because I'm a professional braking stuffer. So, yep. That does it. Thanks for watching.